Mawa is one of most popular destinations for food and travel in Bangladesh. Mawa is a taste of happiness. Early in the morning, fishermen bring in their haul, and the process of preparing the fish begins. From cleaning to marinating with secret spice blends, every step is an art. Eating fried fish at Mawa is more than just a meal, it's an experience. Whether with friends or family, sitting by the Padma River and saving this delicacy doubles the joy. The taste of Mawa's fish is a perfect blend of tradition, nature, and happiness. Mawa is not just a place, it's a story of food, culture, and connection. The fried fish of Mawa is more than just a dish, it's a taste of tradition.
লেবুর সুঘ্রাণ আরো বেশি, ত্বকের যত্ন আরো বেশি, চলে আরো বেশি। আপনার পকেটে কি বিদেশি না বাংলাদেশি?